Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make your Google Docs document look like a book. Let's get started. First, open your document in Google Docs. To give it a book-style layout, go to File, then click on Page Setup and choose a custom page size like A5 for a more book-like feel. Next, adjust the margins to make the content look clean and balanced on each page. Now, select a readable font like Times New Roman or Garamond and set a proper font size, usually around 11 or 12. After that, align your text using Justify so both sides look even, just like a real book. You can also add page numbers from the Insert menu to make it more professional. For chapters, use headings and add some spacing between sections to keep everything organized. This formatting makes your document look polished and easy to read. And that's it, you can now turn your Google Docs into a book-style document. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.